Hello, hello, hello. This is Mike Reed giving you information on Copeland semi-hermetic compressors. This is for all of you that are in and around Atlanta, Georgia. You have your semi-hermetic compressors by Copeland. The one on the left, you'll see these are the ones you find on rack systems for your grocery. The one on the right, you'll find that in your batch freezers for your ice cream machines. They do want you to bring your own tools. It says be prepared to get dirty. They will supply you with safety glasses if you want them, but you have to have them. But they say safety glasses are required, so bring them. All right, it is a morning class hosted by URI, 1531 Marietta Boulevard, Northwest in Atlanta, Georgia. So please call area code 404-817-6661. Once again, this class is for Monday, November 14th, 2023 in Atlanta, Georgia. And this is for those of you who are familiar with rack systems, or if you have any clients that have ice cream stores, this is the one for you. All right, best of luck.